This is another one of them HTC classics.
This what we doing now? Okay. What you gonna wanna do, right? Before you throw your mom into this fire, you to make sure that it's hot. Right? Sound like that. You grab that bitch by the collar. Oh snap! I'm metaphorically. Chop that ass up. Yeah. And that's what happened. You don't know them like I do, so you can't talk like me. But you see something that you see, but you don't talk what I talk, so it be what it be. Yeah. Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Not no victim of violence. It was a game of silence with silence fire. And all that got alerted. I was in the math and I was just hurting. Yeah, for certainness. And I was working it really good. And something popped up in this neighborhood. And I looked at it like, yeah. I didn't wear the watch, wear the watch. I wanted to say, they're gonna take the watch. Get this watch, friend, but never did that. But that's what happened one night. Slipping on your ID, I know. So, yeah. Before you grab your sister by the collar, shake the bag out. Give it all. By the motherfucking belt. Don't give a fuck when you toss that bitch. I don't give a fuck. I don't wanna toss that bitch. But in the spot, off with some shit. Really didn't mean to, but shit happened. And that's why I didn't know things happen. You know, those times, but you know, it's real, so you have to deal with what's there. I'm always out, always on route, trying to get what I need so I can get down. I can't get down around this. It's some pillow talking, but not from the women, from some other friend, or sort of caught up in what this is. Some of the people that we know as deceased was once a friend. It seems to be an epidemic of lifestyles that's ending. For what? Will you throw that bitch in the fire? Let her know you ain't through shit. Fuck you. Get back then. And then I'ma go have me some fun. Probably like Marcus. Picture. Well, you know, I was doing me. I got to go. G-O-N-E. That be the topic. I gotta do these, cause it's and this. Oftentimes, we can't